Hi there, hope you're all doing well. I am back with Trixie, the final survivor of the Zombicide Undead or Alive core set. She was black and white zenithal primed, and I get started with her dress using olive green as the base coat. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You can also join Discord using the link in the description, where you can share anything you have been working on. Next up, she has some red pieces of clothing as well, so I'll go over these parts with burnt red. For the exposed skin, I went for Sully's skin tone. She has ginger hair, so to get that look, I base coat her hair with light brown. There are some white trims around her dress, and these get done with silver grey. As with all of my Zombicide mini bases, they get a once over with Plague Brown. For her boots, I went with Cork brown. Getting started on the highlights, I used golden olive for all of those raised parts of her dress. To highlight up the red, I grabbed flat red and just added a few highlights. I didn't want to go too overboard with this, as the green is really the main colour for this one. For the pistol, I went for plate armour. Moving on to the washes, I get started using flesh wash over all of her skin and the red parts of clothing. For the bulk of the dress, I went with a wash of military shader. And that will be it for Trixie, bringing an end to the survivors of the core box just in time for the end of the year. As always, there'll be photos of this mini on my Instagram page. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You can also join Discord using the link in the description, where you can share anything you have been working on. Like, subscribe if you enjoyed. Most importantly though, be kind to each other.